Welcome to Jazp.com. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make a product out of stock. First, log into the dashboard from the shown link. Input your username and password and click Login. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Products and click Approved Products from the drop-down menu. Now select the product which you want to make out of stock. Now this is a product which you have uploaded to Jazp.com. Now select the product which you want to make out of stock. Click on the pencil button and you will see a pop-up. Now from the stock status, select out of stock and update. Now let's check the website, and here the product is out of stock. Same way you can make it in stock by editing it and click update. Now check the website and refresh. That's it, your product is back to in stock.